300 a year. That's how many of this breakfast favorite the average American eats. But could it be fighting or fueling your blood sugar? Let's crack this mystery wide open. Hello again, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Dr. Hanz, MD. Eggs consistently rank as a top favorite for Americans when it comes to breakfast. And what better time than Easter to ask, are eggs helpful in maintaining a balanced blood sugar? The short but resounding answer is yes. Generally, eggs can be a valuable addition to a blood sugar-friendly diet. Here's why. Eggs are practically carb-free, with less than 1 gram per egg. That's a win for blood sugar right there. Studies show high-protein breakfasts like eggs help keep blood sugar steady. The protein helps you feel full longer and keeps your energy steady for hours. Eggs are packed with healthy fats, which help slow the release of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing spikes and avoiding the midday crash. Research suggests that eggs may help improve insulin sensitivity when part of a balanced diet. Plus, eggs are loaded with a nutrient called choline, which supports metabolism and brain health. But remember, everyone's body is different. While eggs are generally beneficial, pay attention to how your blood sugar responds. Monitoring is key. How you cook your eggs makes a difference too. Opt for boiling, poaching, or scrambling. Loading them up with rich or sugary sauces can negate the benefits. So, what if you ate an egg every day? For most healthy adults, 1 to 2 eggs a day can absolutely be a part of a blood sugar-friendly diet. And here's a pro tip. Pair your eggs with fiber-rich veggies like spinach or bell peppers for even better blood sugar control. Imagine staying steady, sharp, and satisfied. What are you waiting for? Hop into a healthier habit and follow the Easter Bunny's trail.